guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel, you guys, and welcome if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new. So you guys, in today's video, we will be following up with the last video that I posted. This is part 2, you guys. So in today's video, I will just be mopping my living room. I also will be repainting my dining room table, you guys, as well. I also will be cleaning up my kitchen, and that will be all for today's video. I hope that you find some type of motivation out of this video. That way you can get up and clean with me, or you can just have me playing on a day where you decide to clean. So let's get into today's video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see you. This vast part and it's exterior, I think. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, we bought this and we painted this table, but as you guys can see, it's kind of a little scuffed and stuff, and I should have put some of that poly stuff over it. But anyway, I just like the way it look when it's just matte and it's black or whatever, so I'm just gonna do it again.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. If you can be honest, I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. I'm up all night. Make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest, I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love